Meera, first of all, a warm welcome to Glitz Vision USA, and tell me, how are you?
Interview. So, yeah, it's been quite some time actually since we've spoken or met. काफी time हो गया actually. मिलके तो बहुत time हो गया.
Right. So, tell me, last time I remember we met on your birthday for this segment, and at that time, of course, we were in a much better situation, I feel. Okay, right now we all know how the situation is. But tell me, as an individual, as an actor, how are you dealing with the situation?
I am actually quite okay with whatever is happening. It was some adjusting that was happening last year. I think this curfew and this lockdown too, if we call it, I think we all are very much prepared mentally for it, and somehow we are all doing okay in it. Otherwise, I think I have pretty much balanced my life in a lot of ways, so I am not in much of a shocker to whatever is happening with me or around me. Although Vidya going off air was a shocker for all of us, and that was one thing that went downhill. Otherwise, things are pretty much good, touch wood.
Right. And tell me something, the last time when we had a conversation, of course, fans keep on asking that when are you going to come back? You also said that there is something in pipeline, but nothing confirmed. So what is the status now? I mean, is there something in pipeline, if you can say anything?
So at that time I was working on something, but it did not happen. And again, right now also I'm in talks only. Nothing is confirmed as of yet. Agar hota, or if I signed something and I was like waiting to announce it to you guys, there would have been a different kind of joy on my face right now. But nevertheless, I think soon something good will come up, and I'll be back on screen soon, because I am also really missing work. So.
Okay. And, of late, I've seen a lot of, you have indulged in dancing, and, I think you have lost a lot of weight. You're looking, more healthier than you were. So tell me something, is this something, which you decided, because now you have some time, so to sharpen your skills, or what was the thing? Because your dance videos are really lovely.
So finally, the thing about our industry is, and it is that whatever we do is quite visible, and people notice such things. I think जो life के थोड़े बहुत changes होते हैं, या जो भी हम अपने आप के अंदर बदलाव लाते हैं, I think everybody works on themselves, and I think you must also be working on yourself, and there might be other people also who might be, trying to be better, or a better version of themselves every day. So I am just doing that, and but funnily it's visible to you guys, and people notice and all these things. But talking about dance and the way I am putting myself out is I enjoy dancing, and you guys must be knowing, as set pe bhi there used to be dance performances. I was always like the most excited one jumping around. It used to be a happy day for me because I love dancing. So I just thought that since, I'd started stepping out and I'd started doing things, I thought, why not, get into dancing? And honestly, I had prepared the dance, and I was supposed to shoot it. I was supposed to put it out, but this curfew happened. So now I'm waiting for the studios to reopen so that I can go and shoot it. And otherwise, putting myself out there, I have been this person all the while. I mean, Meera is like this, but then people don't know who Meera is. People have known me for the characters that I've played. And so I think people are getting to know Meera now. So it's quite a different experience for them.
Right.
And I'm liking the reactions, actually.
Great, Richard. And Meera, apart from daily soaps, and I'm sure you also get an offer for a lot of reality shows. So is there something in mind, maybe sooner or later in the future, are you seeing yourself in any type of reality show?
Okay, I always wanted to do Jhalak Dikhla Ja, but apparently they have stopped making more seasons of it. So that's kind of a heartbreaker for me. And I keep telling, whatever people I know in colors, ki wapas banao, please banao, please banao, because I think that is something I will be really good at. Apart from that, I have been approached for Bigg Boss, but I don't know if I'm really cut out for Bigg Boss or not. I'm still exploring myself on that aspect. And Khatro Ke Khiladi and everything, I was offered last year, but then I went on doing Vidya, so it didn't happen. And so it's quite a dicey thing for me. और नच बलिए तो अपने पास बलिए है नहीं, तो अपन नच बलिए कर नहीं सकते. तो चारों reality shows मैंने बता दिए कि क्या status है मेरा.
Right. Okay. The one question I also wanted to ask, with basically fans are that, all the both of your shows, whether it is Udaan or Vidya, it has been quite a few times that they have gone off air. But still people, ask that, if ever there's a second season of any of the show, will you come back? So that's, what I'm saying, because a lot of time, like, Simar has come back, and a lot of second season is coming back. So if any of your show is going to have a second season, first of all, which show of yours you would like to have a season of, and if you'd be interested in coming back?
I don't mind the season 2 of Vidya also, but I would love for a season 2 of Udaan, because Udaan was a roller coaster ride for all of us, and we had so much fun there. And we had an amazing team together. It was an experience for me of a lifetime, I would say. And I think I've played Chakor for 3 years. I was so close and connected to that character कि अगर आप मुझे कल भी उठ के बोलोगे चलो चलो तुम्हें चकोर बनना है, तो मैं I'll be like हाँ चलो. It'll never be a question mark for me. But having said that, the way Satya 2 and whatever sequels I've seen on television right now, the main protagonists from season 1 are not, actually part of season 2. They were just there as a handover, and I couldn't do that. I very funnily, I was having a conversation with the producer of Guru Sir, and very randomly, we were talking, and I told him, I said, if you ever make a season 2, then it has to be me only. Or else don't even talk to me about season 2, because I will not come for a handover. So that is something I'm very clear on, but I would love to do a season 2.
Right. And then lastly, I wanted to ask, of course, it's been quite a time that you have been part, of the entertainment industry. So now, is there any type of characters, which you are really, eyeing to play, or any type of characters which you want that, your career need to be shaped in, when it comes to that character? Is this something which you're looking for, or you're just going with the flow?
See, honestly, I love what I have been doing. And I don't mind doing that for some more time on television. I would enjoy doing that. It is very rare that characters like Maya from Behad, or such strong and very different and completely one-woman show characters are made. ऐसा कुछ अगर मिलता है तो मतलब it's a blessing, and would love to do something like that. It will be a good challenge, but otherwise I think I have been a very big supporter of the television industry, and I will always be, because I am proud of how television works, and I am proud to be a part of it. So I would love to be that, since you all call it, I would love to be a television ki bahu for some more time. And I enjoy doing TV, but apart from that, career-wise, if I'm talking, I am, getting in the zone of preparing myself to enter web series, because I got approached 2-3 times for certain web series, and there were certain bold scenes and scenes I would not be comfortable with, which is why I did not take them up. So I am still in the process of, preparing myself as an actor to be up for anything that comes my way. So that's the 2 fronts that I'm talking about.
Right. And okay. But we hope whether you do television, whether you do web series, unless and until the character is good and you're putting your heart and soul, the medium actually doesn't matter.
Yeah.
And and on this one, we just want to play a small segment with you. This is called This or That. We will give you two options.
I miss playing these segments.
So we'll be giving you two options and you just have to pick your preference. Okay. So now the first option is in makeup. What do you prefer? Blush or bronzer?
Blush.
Lip gloss or lipstick?
Lipstick.
Eyeliner or mascara?
Mascara.
Foundation or concealer?
I don't need much of concealing, so foundation.
Okay. Neutral or color eyeshadow?
Neutral.
Okay. Pressed or loose eyeshadows?
I've never done loose eyeshadows, so I would love for some loose eyeshadow. I want to try.
Okay. Okay. Brushes or sponges?
Brushes.
Okay. When it comes to nails, long or short?
Long.
Bright or dark?
Bright.
Okay. When it comes to body, perfume or body splash?
Perfume.
Okay. Body wash or soap?
Body wash.
Okay. Lotion or body butter?
I love body butter.
Okay. When it comes to fashion, jeans or sweatpants?
Jeans.
Okay. Long sleeves or short sleeves?
Long sleeves.
Okay. Dresses or skirts?
Dresses. You will only see me wearing dresses.
Okay. Stripes or plaid?
Plain.
Okay. Flip flops or sandals?
Tough choice. Both? Can I go for both?
Yeah, sure. Whatever you prefer.
Yeah, both.
Both. Okay, cool. Scarves or sunglasses?
Sunglasses.
Okay. Caps or hats?
Caps. I don't wear hats.
Studs or dangly earrings?
Hoops.
Okay. Okay. Now, when it, necklaces or bracelets?
Necklaces.
Okay. Denim or leather?
Denim. Love denim.
Okay. Heels or flats?
Well, you look sexy when you wear heels, so heels.
Okay.
But when you want comfort, you can go for flats.
Okay. Coats or jackets?
Jackets.
Okay. Jackets or hoodies?
Hanji?
Jackets or hoodies?
Hoodies.
Okay. Forever 21 or Zara?
So Forever 21 के stores बंद हो गए, so which is why I'm like switched to Zara now. So Zara.
Okay. When it comes to hair, curly or straight?
Straight. I have straight hair, so straight.
Okay. Bun or ponytail? What do you prefer?
I don't tie my hair much, but bun, a loose bun.
Okay. Bobby pins or butterfly clips?
Butterfly clips.
Okay. Hairspray or gel?
Neither. I don't use anything on my hair.
Okay. Long or short, your hair?
Long.
Okay.
Obviously.
The color you prefer, light or dark?
My original hair color is a little brown, so I like how my hair is. I like brown.
Right. Okay. Side sweep bangs or full bangs?
What pants? Side slit?
Side sweep bangs or full bangs?
Bangs. I don't do bangs, but then I have fringes. So fringes for me.
Okay. Okay. Lastly, rain or shine? What do you prefer?
Can't hear you. Sorry.
Rain or shine? What do you prefer?
I am not able to understand.
It's like rain, barish या फिर धूप. Rain or shine? What do you prefer?
Rain.
Okay. Summer or winter?
Winter.
Okay. Chocolate or vanilla?
Chocolate. Any day chocolate.
Okay. Cats or dogs?
Dogs.
Okay. Coffee or tea?
Coffee. Love
Okay.
coffee.
Okay. And lastly, silver, gold or diamond? What do you prefer?
I love diamonds.
Okay.
Diamond.
Okay. So thank you so
Gold
much.
में gold में
Yeah.
diamond set करके दे दो.
Acha, so both you prefer like gold and diamond.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, Meera, for the lovely segment, for the lovely answers which you gave, and anything which you want to say to your fans and the viewers of Glitz Vision USA, please.
Thank you for having me, Kinnari, because it's been a while and I've always enjoyed doing all sorts of segments that you do, have been doing since forever. And it's always so much fun with you. So thank you for doing this with me. Yeah. And thank you to everyone who's going to watch this, and to all the people who love me and who've been waiting for me to, come back on screen, and who've been quite patient. So please wait for some more time. I shall soon be back on your screens to entertain you guys. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Meera, and hoping to see you back soon, whether television, whether web series, whether anything in a kick-ass role. Thank you so much.
Hoping to meet you soon again.
Yeah, hopefully. Thank you so much, Meera.
Yeah.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
Kinnari. Bye. Take care.
I am Vijendra
Hi, I'm Meera.
and you're watching Glitz Vision USA. Please
Like and subscribe.